What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Moto WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to export widgets from one website to import in another website. But before anything, let me explain you what are widgets, what are WordPress widgets. Widgets are used to populate places into your WordPress menus, on your WordPress sidebars, on your WordPress footer, or even on pages in the case that you want. Let me show you some example of widgets. This is the Visual Moto PX WordPress theme, and here is the blog single post page sidebar. This search field, this Facebook page, this banner ad, the recent posts, comments, archives, categories, the tweets widget, this other banner, these tags and social media are placed as widgets, as well as you can see into this footer. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial explaining more about how to change the footer widgets or sidebar widgets. But if you can't find it, just go to Visual Moto and search for Visual Moto footer or Visual Moto sidebar, or go to YouTube and search for Visual Moto because we have lots of videos there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one, okay? So let's imagine that you are moving from one website to another and you do not want to lose your widgets setup. Let me show you. Into WordPress Top Bar, if you hover over the website name, you can see dashboard, themes, widgets, and menus. And if you go to widgets, you may see a page. Let me show you an example. A page like this one. However, this is a new website. We are moving, in this example, we are moving from this website right here, that is the PX WordPress theme demonstrative website, to another one. And we do not want to have the needs to set up, apply all these widgets once again from all the places. And luckily for us, WordPress have some amazing plugins that do it for us. As you can see, the plugin is very well rated, have hundreds and thousands of installations active because this is really useful, okay? So what to do? In both websites, okay, we're gonna go to WordPress, dashboard, plugins, and click on add new. Into the top right corner, at the search field, the keyword, just type the plugin name. Widgets, Import, and Exporter. Here is the first one by Church Teams. Click on Install New. Make sure that you have this process made and the plugin active in both websites, because we need to export from one website to import in another one, okay? While we keep installing this plugin right here, let's go to the original website where we are moving from and go to the WordPress settings panel, okay? Here is the WordPress dashboard, and once on your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools. After the plugin installed and activated, okay? Go to WordPress dashboard, Tools. And once on this, as soon as the plugin is active and working, you can have a button. You're gonna be able to see a new button called Widget Importer and Exporter. We're gonna click on it. It's under the WordPress tools, okay? So we have three options right here. We have three buttons, three clickable buttons, okay? You can import into this, but will not be importing. We're gonna be exporting from this website, so we can have the widgets present on the site to another one. So click on Export Widgets. This is gonna download you a WIA file, okay? No need to worry about this file, just keep that on your computer until you can import, okay? And after this, go to the side that you are moving, the new website without widgets yet, and click on activate so we can have the plugin active. As soon as you click on activate, WordPress by default gonna redirect you to the plugins page. No need to worry, okay? This is normal. So here is the plugin, okay? Widget importer and exporter. Click on import export button. And here we're gonna be using the file that we just have downloaded previously in the other website, okay? So click on choose file. Here is the file that we just have downloaded. The domain name is right here, okay? So click on open. The file is already here. Click on import. So all you need to do is upload the file. However, there is another case, because in some WordPress installations, when you try to upload this file format, it brings you with an error message according to the PHP version that you are. So a more error-free option is to open the file that you just have downloaded, okay? So go to WordPress, to your computer, download this, open this file with your notepad, okay? Select all the text and copy that. After this, click into this little button, so copy and paste and import. All the widgets are now imported, okay? As you can see in the result field, there is other widgets that wasn't imported, and I bring this on a purpose because I need to show this. So the WooCommerce widgets that we have into this website wasn't important to this. Why? Because this website have not the WooCommerce plugin activated, so we cannot import widgets for a location that does not exist yet. So if we did have activated the WooCommerce plugin previously and tried the import process, all would work fine. But once we do not have WooCommerce, we do not have widgets for WooCommerce, okay? So no issues on it, okay? If you go to the WordPress appearance widgets now, we're gonna be able to see that all the widgets are now working. We have the footer, we have the copyright, we have the sidebar. Let me show you in some page of this website. So the widgets are all right here. Same for the footer. Of course, we need to create the categories, we need to set up some plugins, but the structure and the design are all imported, easy, fast, and for free. And it is. Just let me show you the error message that used to appear if you do not have the file upload set as on and you do not have permission to the .yia file format. So go to the tools, widgets importer and exporter, as we did, and in this local host I have not this file format permitted. So if I try to upload using the file, as may work in most of the cases, let's review the issue that appears. So specified file field upload test. This is a very normal WordPress issue, and all you need to do in order to fix this is normally update the PHP version or allow this file format upload, because WordPress does not understand this file format because of some reason or WordPress setup. If this appears on your case, just click right here, open the file, copy the code and post right here. Simple as that, okay? No need to worry. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmoto.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. Download our Enzo WordPress theme that is free, download our borderless plugin that is free and gonna bring you some tools to create an amazing site for free. Click on the links that I'm gonna leave in the first comment into this video so you can purchase a host in a very cheap price, purchase a domain, download free assets like icons, portfolio, menus, Photoshop templates, themes, and many more things. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow Visual Moto on social media. We are everywhere. So I'm gonna see you later. All the best!